Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by today because I've heard a lot of talk, read a lot of talk lately about mica powders and metallic colors in general. So I wanted to kind of touch upon a few points. One of the points is Pearl-Ex is going to be way different than this happens to be Alumalite. I do also have perfect pearls, which in my opinion, perfect pearls is like it's almost like a pastel color mica powder collection to me. So the Pearl-Ex, I'm going to give you a really good example here. This is the silver in the Alumalite powder. This is the silver in the Pearl-Ex. It's a much more antique color. The golds now are really similar. The coloration is a little different, but the metallic quality is quite similar. Now, this is the Pearl-Ex, this is the Alumalite. The Pearl-Ex is much, much redder. Now, this actually may be the red russet. I wouldn't be able to tell anyway. I don't know. Super copper. Okay, so it's a little bit redder. Then I've got, these are the Alumalite metallic powders, which are, again, slightly different than the Alumalite powders. Again, I've got a whole nother line of a no-name kind of brand. So they're still just as pretty. Again, they'll just give you a different look. Now, in this video, I'm only going to cover the powders on raw clay. These three powders on raw clay, I'm actually going to show you what they look like. In another video or several other videos, I'll cover other things. Alright, so this is the Pearl-Ex. Okay, so we're gonna get on camera a little better. We're gonna go with these three are gonna be the Pearl-Ex powders. Now, I've got a really, really soft, fluffy kind of brush that won't leave any scratch marks, hopefully. Alright, as you can see, I'm really letting the brush kind of burnish the piece. Alright, so that's what the silver looks like. Now, it can be burnished further, but I'm going to wait till after it's baked. Alright, so let's go with the gold. And don't tip your brush as heavily as I just did. Now again, like I said, the coloration of the particular, like the gold and it, even the silver to some extent, will just depend on the brand of mica powder you're using. Okay. To avoid accidents, as you can see, it's already made a mess. But then again, I get lots of comments on wearing a mask while you're working with this. In truth, when I'm working with the mica powder, it is at such a distance from my face, I would be in more danger putting my makeup on. Okay? Not that I probably couldn't stand to wear a mask, but it's hard to do a video with a mask on. Alright, these are the Alumalite powders. Alright, let's compare a little bit. They really seem to be about the same shade of silver. They have very similar metallic luster. Alright, let's check out the gold. Alright, now you can really see the gold. This gold is much more metallic-y. It's a much... Alright, these are the three Alumalite metallic powders. These are the three... I'm trying to see if I still got this straight. These are the three that are the Alumalite Alumazest. These three are the Perlix. Alright, when they came out of the oven, they're already cool and everything. When they came out of the oven, I gave them a quick burnish with the back of this teaspoon. And I really didn't think it did anything, so that's why I didn't show you on camera. But now that I look back at them, I really do think it added a little bit of shine. Alright, there's the three. Pearl X, Alumidust, and Alumalite metallic powder. Thank you for watching. All my social media links will be listed below. Bye for now.